Modern fuel gauge systems have evolved significantly, especially in vehicles manufactured after 2020. These systems are now digitally integrated with the car's engine control unit and use advanced communication protocols. The key difference between modern and traditional fuel gauge systems lies in their integration and communication methods. Modern systems use digital protocols, while traditional systems rely on simple analog connections. The Controller Area Network, or CAN bus, is the communication backbone of modern vehicles. It allows the engine control unit to communicate with various modules, including the instrument cluster that displays fuel level information. Modern fuel gauge systems use advanced sensor technologies. Capacitive sensors measure changes in electrical capacitance as fuel levels change, while ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to precisely measure the distance to the fuel surface. Modern systems include advanced compensation features. Temperature compensation accounts for fuel expansion and contraction, while anti-slosh filtering prevents inaccurate readings during acceleration and braking. However, ethanol fuel blends can still affect sensor accuracy due to their different electrical properties. To reset modern fuel gauge systems, you typically need an OBD2 scanner. The process involves connecting the scanner, navigating to either the body control module or instrument cluster menu, then selecting fuel level sensor or gauge calibration options to access the reset function. Understanding these modern fuel gauge systems is essential for proper diagnosis and reset procedures. The integration of digital communication and smart sensors requires specialized diagnostic tools and knowledge of the underlying technology. The most effective way to recalibrate a fuel gauge in modern vehicles is using an OBD2 scanner. This method works for most vehicles manufactured after 2010. Step 1. Start with an empty fuel tank. The fuel warning light should be illuminated. Connect your OBD2 scanner to the diagnostic port and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Navigate through your scanner's menu system. Look for body control module or instrument cluster options, then find fuel level sensor or gauge calibration settings. Step 3. Set the empty reference point. Follow the scanner prompts to record the current sensor reading as the empty tank baseline. This establishes the minimum fuel level for your gauge. Step 4. Fill your fuel tank completely to the automatic shutoff point. Return to the calibration menu and set the full reference point. The system will now calculate the complete range parameters between empty and full. For older vehicles without advanced OBD2 capabilities, try disconnecting the battery negative terminal for 15 minutes. This clears the adaptive memory and may help reset the fuel gauge system. Some vehicles with encrypted ECU systems require professional dealer reset using manufacturer-specific diagnostic equipment. This is especially important for maintaining warranty compliance on newer vehicles. Remember, always start with the OBD2 method for modern vehicles, use battery disconnect for older cars, and consult a professional for encrypted systems. Proper calibration ensures accurate fuel readings and prevents unnecessary fuel stops.